Welcome. If you want your voice chats on Discord Mobile to sound clearer and smoother, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you how to enable advanced voice activity on Discord Mobile, updated for the latest version, so you can enjoy better audio quality with just a few taps. Let's get started. First, open up your Discord app on your mobile device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the main screen, look for your profile icon in the bottom right corner. Give it a tap to open your user settings. Now, in your Settings menu, scroll down until you find the section labeled App Settings. Here, you'll see an option called Voice. Tap on Voice to access all the voice and audio settings for Discord. Inside the voice settings, you'll see a range of options to customize your chat experience. What we're looking for is a section called Voice Processing. This is where Discord hides some of its most powerful audio tools. Scroll down until you see Advanced Voice Activity. This feature uses smarter algorithms to detect your voice, making sure your friends hear you clearly, even if there's background noise or you're speaking softly. To turn it on, simply tap the toggle switch next to Advanced Voice Activity. When it's enabled, the switch will light up or change color, depending on your device's theme. That's it. You've just upgraded your Discord mobile experience. Now, when you're in a voice channel, Discord will do a better job of picking up your voice and filtering out unwanted sounds. This can make a huge difference, especially if you're gaming, streaming, or just hanging out with friends in a noisy environment. If you ever want to turn this feature off, just follow the same steps and toggle the switch back. But once you try it, you'll probably want to keep it on for all your calls. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Discord tips and tricks. See you next time.